Guys, I reach home and I get rain on. Oh, I see my sister this way struggling. Huh? Kimbiwende kwa nyumba. Hey, that's my sister. Whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, anytime it's gonna rain when I was coming from Nyabohansi. That's my mama. Even me, guys, I get rain, you know. Anyway, guys, we tried to go inside and I was parking my bike, guys. Look, it's raining, man. Look. So, yeah. Even me, guys, I get rained, as you can see. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this video from. And anyway, my name is U.S.A Official. In case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy U.S.A Official. So right now, as you can see right now here, this is the sugarcane plantation that we have here. And also, I don't know, guys, maybe it's for the owner or company, I don't know. But this one, they cut it from here, from the farm, all the way to the factory, and then or to the industry, they manufacture, and then we get what we call sugarcane that we put on tea, on porridge. But for me right now, like, I didn't recommend. Oh man, this is a call. Just a minute, man. You know. Hello.
Hello, baby.
Yes.
Niaje?
Poa.
Potea nako.
Sijapotea, mimi niko.
Ya mimi niko heti. Ya mwana nione nikukotea leo. Niambie mageni, hali iko aje huko?
Sina mageni man, hapa ni mvua.
Sasa unajua nataka kazi ya stima. Niliona Davy anajenga, nikamtext lakini hajai reply. Nilikuwa nataka nimfanyie free. Installation free, lakini materials anunue kwa best yangu hapo mwenye ako hapo Hispania. Alafu kazi tufanye free, na hapo unajua pia itakuwa imeni promote.
Sasa si guys, people like, you know, like they need, you know, they work for electrician, I think electrician at Dancing Grandma, you know, where David Jr. he was building, and he was calling me, I called Dave, I contact Dave Jr. on the comment. I need a job for the wiring, and you know, because he was, you know, busy here and there, and shooting the videos. You know, even me sometime I didn't read comment because I was shooting the videos the whole day, and then you know, like, I feel I'm tired. But I understand, man, you know. So, like, we don't want maybe like say, oh, hello, baby, you didn't reply my comment here and there. Like, for example, a call that I'm receiving here, the guy need the job for wiring at Dancing Grandma, where David Jr. was building. And big shout out to David Jr. Wherever you're watching this video, on this part, there's some guy from, I think all the way from Kisi, need a job. So for electricity or I think wiring, not plumbing, wiring. So maybe he was doing wiring, and also maybe he has a friend he can do also plumbing. Anyway, guys, I'm not on that part, so I was on this process of you know, talking sugarcane, you know. So like we plant like that, and then we eat, we can chew, you know, naturally the way it is, you know. We plug from the farm, we wash them, we chew. And the other way we make some in Swahili called karinguru, you know. If you're watching Mara, they talk about that stuff. When you bite, it's very sweet, round, you know, like my arm here at the size, and it's very sweet. So yeah, so I'm just around here. I'm gonna pass at River YouTube, heading to my friend's land, because I was coming from this side. heading this way, and then from this I'm going, back home to see how things go. And actually, since I left home, right now it's 15:34. That's around 3 3 I think that's 3:34 p.m., my local time. So today I'm shooting these videos very late, but it is what it is. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel as you watch my videos. Always, guys, hit the notification bell when I'm uploading any videos. You can able to get notification. And guys, I'm telling you, for those people who, like my fans who sit and watch my videos, subscribing is for free. It doesn't need any, tax, any payment. I'm telling you guys, you just, for free, when your heart, in touch, like you want to support Hello Baby by subscribing, it's to ring the bell, and everything will be awesome. So yeah, and I love, man, like the green nature, to sit here, calm. So yeah, I was greeting one of my friends from other side, and since I left my bike at my neighbors on this side, I haven't go. So right now I decide I want to start my intro here and heading. So actually on these videos, it's a banger videos ever. So I don't want to mention right now here, but I you see the action on these videos. So as you watch, let me know on the comment section what do you think about on this vlog. So yeah, only $800 to start my mom's dream house. That's around equivalent to 100,000 Kenyan shillings, to start foundation up to the rental. And I'm telling you guys, construction, what I believe is not an easy thing, because it's need you to have material, like some resources on the ground. And for me, man, I'm trying my best. Thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me. Thank you so much. My God bless you, and you mean the world to me. So guys, I love this combat. I was having this combat and also some trousers and boots. I wear like an army soldier, but people in our village here, when something gets robbed or stolen at night, they say, oh, it's blah, it's who and who, it's so and so, things like that. But I decided, to give that trouser to my brother, and I'm remaining with this. But in other country, they can't recommend, like to wear this combat. They believe it's a policeman, and then you need to show them some document, right ref center. So even right now, guys, to go edit in Tanzania, it's very difficult. As long as maybe, I don't know, maybe you're international and then you have your all document, I don't know. But in Kenya here, I can work with this jacket, trouser, boots, cape, because we find them in the market. So, and then the police, they have known, these things have been selling in the market. Anyway, that's how things they are. Maybe other country, like my neighbor's country, they're very strict. But in our country, very peaceful, man. Even at night you can walk, but maybe walk with maybe 2-3 people. Maybe in Nairobi, when you're coming to Nairobi, guys, this free advice, you must take care of yourself, like properties. There's some phone snatchers, camera snatchers. You need to be very careful. Even me, there's a day I went there with Dave Jr. and some other friends, so we were taking Matiko to rehab and all stuff. But I learned something, you need to hang your small bag here. We put your phone and everything inside the jacket like that, or like here, nobody can touch your chest because you are walking. And then, man, maybe the one who touched your chest like this, maybe it's a mad or a crazy guy. But for the real sense, Nairobi, you must be very careful. So guys, let's flow with vibe to the end. And I'm just, wow, sitting on this green nature, and our motherland, It's purely green of nature's local trees. Like try to imagine. There's some blue gums here. We have sugar cane. We have some green. We don't know. Maybe this is a medicine. You never know. Oh, okay. I get you guys. These are medicine, and I'm telling you. You see. So that's the implication, to stay in our village. So let's go. I'll pass here, and I wash my face at the river YouTube because I heard I'm sweating on my face. It's because it's sunny right now. You can see. And sometimes it's gloomy, sometimes it's sunny. Kind of moderate, but not real that much. Okay. When I'm standing like this, let me close it here. Maybe when I was born, my goal is to be a police, but things can't allow. God have some reason why I'm not continued my study to be a police, things like that. But in our village here, I don't know, guys. In our country in general, they are going with height. When you're around maybe 5 feet and some centimeter, around maybe 9 centimeters, things like that. It's according to the height. And I know in other country, they're going with the the height, But nowadays, because of the corruption in our country, when you have money, yeah, you can have all documents down and then you'll be police officer. But I don't know, guys. I just heard those stories from peoples. I'm not 100% sure. So imagine I was coming from other side, and the whole of this land, entire of this land, purely sugar cane. Let's go, guys. Yeah. And guys, please stay calm. The day is coming. For those people who waiting me to start building, you stay calm. Chill. I'm going to build. No pressure, guys. And if you remember where I came from and where I'm heading to, relax, cool. Things will be working on a good way. So I want to wash my face on this river because I love the vibe. From the river, like boom. Yeah, so things are natural here, as you can see. This is what we call river YouTube. Serious, no joke. This is what we call river YouTube, and I want to wash my face. Imagine, guys, you are bathing here in a local way. The sun is out on this side where I'm pointing. That's the sun, and then you bath for free. According to our culture, on this flowing river, other side it's meant for the ladies, other side it's meant for the men, and also if you are a young girl, you want to bathe with our women. If you are a young boy, you want to bathe with our, our elders. But at a distance, Anyway, guys, let me wash my face. I love this vibe. Look how water is flowing. Free. Look. Inside you have the sand. What a blessed motherland. I'm telling you, guys. So I want to wash my face. Oh my god. Look. Having falls. Look. Guys. Now it's time, because no jam here. Water, no jams. Water is running. You know, even you can drink this because it's flowing, running, going that way, guys. Yeah. Whew. Oh my God. Ah. What a beautiful day. So it's time to go, and that's how things are natural here, you know, the way it is. Yeah, I had right now my face, it's just, you know, warm. I step another leg here, I touch here like that, and then as I move around, I'm heading this way, and then the other way there is a local bridge on the other side, you know. Yeah. So guys, for me, I want to say God thank you for the gift of life. I'm having good health, and I'm still, you know, doing my own thing. By God's grace, we want to win, you know. Yeah, let's go, guys. They're harvesting sand, as you can see on this side. Wow. And also I see another guy harvesting sand right there, right there. So here you must be very careful, you know, like if you're not the guy who like passing here tensing or like 50-50, oh, I might fall down or not. Here you pass once, you know. No, look. And then the water is running down from this side. It's another guy harvesting sand right there. So anyway, let's go. Me, I'm never touch anything, you see, guys, by yourself, you know. What? Look. Yeah. Let's go. There's a napier grass right here. Can't see from entire villa. No, that's how things looks like. But people in our village here, you know, like they try to fight me and my family, you know, with no reason. But yeah, because most of the time people reach me on the comment section, say hello baby, blah blah blah, why do you pass with your family, like your family's home, you didn't say hello, you know. I'm telling you guys, it's because people try to bring some chaotic me and my family. So I said, you know, like, let me do my own thing, guys, because other people in our village here, they don't want to see you succeed. When they see you succeed, it bring jealous, and I know jealousy is a disease, you know, things like that. Me, I said, okay, let me left for them, you know, to talk, and they do their own thing, guys. And what I believe, the jealous people never go anywhere. Yeah, you know. Or this is the reason why I'm like I'm chill guy, you know, cool. Yeah. But the way I grew up with my own, you know, like behavior, let's be like that, you know. Yeah. So there's no single day when I'm passing I didn't, oh, this villa, this Uncle Mo, this, you know, like that, because I was coming on this side. And like I need to mention, and you know where I came from, where I'm shooting the videos from, you know. And I know one of those people, they pretend like he was my friend, also my neighbor, but bring chaotic to my family. Me, I said, oh, all is right, you know, as long as like I'm trying, you know, to show out how I'm doing my own thing. I don't care. You try to imagine I'm heading that way, so I need to go long because I don't want to pass people's land. You know, I respect that. Let's go. Maize, they're really growing like crazy. You try to remember on these videos, I'm trying to pass and you see the height of the maize. Maybe one day when I'm passing here, it's a harvest season or a dry season. You never know. Whew. You see how Virarindima came in good shape. Yeah. If my Yugun, he can try to came from the mesa and to own a home like this, it's by God's grace, man. We need to say, God, thank you, and also thank you for each and everyone who uplifted their hand to support us, you know. Thank you a million times, guys, you know. But when I'm going to say like, oh, hello baby, I want to build my mama dream house, other people reach me out, say, oh, if you doesn't have money, don't build, you know. So what should I do, guys? Look how things, they have been shining from a distance, you know. It's amazing compound, man. Amazing one. From a distance, I'm heading that way, you know. I wanna see how things go. Sometimes I walk, I make some exercise. So that one quiet. Yeah. Huh? Okay. I was speaking with Uncle Mo's wife. Like right here. You know. Simba. So guys, I wanna see how things go because I came on this place and I need to see the land. But I think even last, I think on my previous videos I was been around here. So to be a caretaker, you need to, you know, to be coming here each and every time. But when I get time, I arrive here is to check how things go, you know. Yes, so let's see. No, it's around 15:58. I don't know when I'm going to release these videos, but it is what it is, you know. Yeah, I'm supposed to collect this rubbish, all of them here, and then I burn them. Also, apart from burn them, to uproot some stuff like this, you see, like this one. So I'm trying, you know, to find a day to come here and then doing some things, you know, slowly by slowly. That's Also, that's my neighbor. So if guys you want to have money and then you need, you know, the land closer to the villa, just over here, you know, and you can reach me out and then we talk. If you need land closer to the villa here, boom. If you feel like, you know, so I'm not forcing you guys, please, kindly, if you feel like you wanna, you know, like, man, you know, you wanna need a land closer to the villa like this, you're ready to go. Just over here, plus house or plus home, you know. Let me check how things it is here. Maybe somebody will be hiding some crazy stuff. This is the toilet. And I'm rushing, going home because I see the way it's behaving, and I'll combine this video when I'm washing my bike. I don't want my bike to get, you know, like mud again. Look how the way it is. So I need to rush going back home. Yeah. Checking things here. Yep. Anyway, guys, we shall meet home, guys. I see even a little young boy passing right there. So guys, see you on the next vlog. Guys, right now I'm around at Nyabahansa market and that's how it looks like. So I want to wash my bike and then going around, but I'm trying to look this guy who washed my bike because their business is just around here. So guys, please don't mind about my comebacks. You know, sometimes I'm like I'm army soldier, you know, so I'm trying. Hey, go on, man. Okay, that's matatu that we have here, going to border town Sirari, Kisumu. So anyway, guys, let me look that guy, you know. So here they are buying avocados, you can see. Whoa. Anyway, let me see that guy because I want to go around and I clean my bike. You know, it's looking totally mess, you know. Look, so I need to be washed. And the good thing about the car wash, it's washed and then the bike remaining brand new. So this is my stuff here, chest guard, for protection of my chest, you know. Tagamba, hello, can I guess? Village life. So let me see the guy right there. Hey, mjeda loro warengene haraka rero ge mene vuya talibia mafali okay. Yeah. So guys, this is his business right here. You can see, if you remember, there's a day I just came here and then I found people arranging bricks, you know, and then I said, oh, you know what, my brother, please come and wash my bike because I'm trying, you know, sometimes to promote our brother in business, you know. So this is the bricks which have been burnt, you can see right here. Okay, this is like a small shed for storing of the bricks. So but I see him right there, I don't know, you know. So let's see, guys, that's how African homes looks like. Wait, there's a maze come right here. Hey, wow, Nyabuhanse village to the world. I'm telling him to turn off the music Yeah. Apunguza kidogo. I'm telling him to reduce, you know, the volume of music. Acho samba mangana. Apunguza kabisa. Alibi. And he was listening a Jamaican song. Big shout to Bob Marley. My soul rest in peace, you know, wherever you are. But we're still representing Jamaican to our motherland in Africa. Say hello, my brother. Long time.
Hello.
This is one of my friends. And I'm trying to promote their business, guys. Through washing my bike. Also, they've been wash the comfortable car here. Mercedes Benz have been washed here. Land Cruiser 4x4, you know. Error. Rone haraka inga obange apajeda bange matafari rero.
Ata. Apajeda bange.
Ngara lewa nga ihereke. Matafari ga.
Ngiye kudise.
Sinoge waba mara.
Yani ndanza kubaruse kuyama. Ndakabanga kyazo.
Ono katemba kakenda makura ngomando moki. So this is the car wash machine, guys, you know. So then etabi ane nene ni engine van. Nangere tera daktari. Uwe. Charo. Charo torenge hano. Endi kunyoro. Hano ro. Matatu right here. You know, guys, that's how my bike washed in our village here. Oh, I thought it's my phone. I see Randy Cruiser, guys, 4x4 tourist car right there. You see? Whoa, whoa. Now, guys, you can see my bike. It's purely clean and super amazing, my people, you know. Yeah, this is what we call maintenance, you know. So, oh my god, this is what we call maintenance. Tapi kan kita mau call gitu ya, gigi, usin rutu ya. Hai bu kurusi. Break. Aya. You know, guys, even one of you, when I'm riding my bike, they try, you know, like making noise in terms of brakes, and I realized maybe it's dust. So I'm asking one of my friend here who washed this bike. So he told me maybe you take the mechanic and wash that brake. It's dust. Go to the brake pad. This one right here inside. You know, but it is what it is. Patareta ni endre toka na kinushareta. Santi. Okay guys, right now my bike is super clean, so my work is to go around looking for something. That's my friend. Wait! Okay, let's go. Now, rotating around. Yes. Woo! Our village. It's something else to the world. Look at that, man, you know. And try to imagine I'm heading on other side, on upper side right there. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, Road to Success, and let me know what you think about on today's vlog. But for me, 100%, I want to say thank you a million times, because guys, you are amazing to me, and you mean the world to me, guys. Also, that's tobacco that we have here, right there. That is on the farm. That's tobacco plantation, you know. But nowadays, the population of farmers who plant tobaccos, they are very minimal, you know, very minimal compared to back years. But nowadays, the number of farmers who plant maize, plant cassava, they'll go higher compared to tobacco. Wow, that's Nasto's home. Let's go down here. Go down here. Even in front, right there, super clean, amazing. This is the local bridge that we have right there, you know. Right guys, I'm keep heading straight. Guys, I had a call, and one of my friend visited me at my home, so I need to see him on these videos. So that's why I'm calling home, and everything just awesome. So this is a blessed day, man, you know, and I can't complain. It's a fantastic morning, although the sun is not out, as you can see. So let me go and see him outside. You know, this is my bike here. Imagine, because the gear reverse have some problem, and I just hang it right here. So anyway, let's go and see him, guys. You know, wow, when it's raining, this is the kind of situation that we have. Try to imagine. Okay guys. You good? Mambo fresh.
Hey, nimekuja kukutembelea.
You're welcome.
Yes, let me maybe stop a little bit. I give myself introduction. Okay, guys, what's up, guys? Thank you so much. Our amazing friends for always supporting our brother Hello Baby.
Yes.
My name is Ken. I'm a YouTube content creator. I do amazing and authentic vlogs. Today, I decided to come and visit Hello Baby here, but with good news. With good news.
With good news.
With good news. I decided to come and visit you, bro. With the good news.
All the way from Homa Bay.
All the way from Homa Bay, man. Yes.
Guys, it's around, I think, maybe when you're traveling, maybe around 3 hours.
Yes, 3 hours, but it's always 2 to 3 hours. So, you know more, so if it is a public vehicle, it can take even 3 hours because they always stop at each and every bus stop. But with a private like this one, even 1 hour, 30 minutes, you've reached. It's not that much
Homa
far.
Bay?
Yes, in Homa Bay. You know, with a motorbike,
We go to Mbita with from
Yes.
Homa Bay to Mbita. It's how many kilometers?
But it's a bit far.
Oh,
Yes, a bit far.
okay. I know
Yes.
Mbita. From Mbita, you go to Kisumu.
No.
Yeah.
From Mbita is just in Homa Bay County. So, you know, but it's on the other side of Homa Bay. Yeah, so you have actually to go cruise all the way from Homa Bay town heading to Mbita. Mbita actually is in Rusinga. Yes, but all of them are in Homa Bay.
Okay, you're
Yes.
welcome, my brother.
Okay, I'm feeling at home. Yes, I was sent here. So I decided, okay, you know, actually I was at home. You know, I'm also having a project. I'm doing a project at home. And there was a subscriber who reached out. He wanted to actually support you. I believe maybe there is a project that we want to start.
Yes.
So he sent me and I decided, okay, I had like a grace period that I was to relax because we were waiting for them. We were doing a mud thatched house, so we were waiting for it to kind of dry a little bit. Then we continue with the phase 2 of the thatching of the house. So I decided, okay, this time I can now run to Nyabo Hanses, and also there is a lot of stuff that I came to fix here. So I decided, okay, let me now take my friends this money. Actually, it's a big surprise. It's 100 US, not 200.
Not 200.
Yes, 100 US.
You know the good thing about us, maybe
Yes.
when somebody send you something for your
Yes.
friend,
Yes.
you need to make a video so they can
Exactly.
able to see that
and
video.
also, you know, let me tell you one thing. You can't lie because
Yes.
I believe she's gonna watch this.
Yes.
And also, you know, I believe for her to reach out to me, maybe in one way or another you've been communicating. So maybe you know, if I lie, you can actually maybe send everything the way everything was. So you can't lie online. Okay, so I decided, okay, let me come and surprise you, and I believe it's gonna help you.
I'm
She
ready,
lives
my
in
brother.
the States. Yes.
US?
And I believe in the US.
Oh, okay.
Yes, in maybe somewhere in Brooklyn or New York, I mean.
Okay,
Yes.
guys, and then you know the good thing, we don't want to mention people's name
Yeah,
here.
of course, we don't
you
want to
know.
mention names.
It's a private,
It's a
so
private.
for
Maybe we mention behind the cameras.
Mom, thank you so much.
Yes.
If you're watching these videos,
Yes.
Ken Chronicles,
Ken Chronicles.
all the way from Homa Bay. It's a long
Imagine.
distance.
Yes.
Marahaba. Uko poa?
You know, we've been greeted.
Yes, sema shikamo.
Marahaba.
Tulianga, she was greeting us. Shikamo is a Swahili words. So guys, the good thing is,
Yes.
when maybe somebody send me maybe something to Ken Chronicles,
Chronicles.
we need to make a video so
Exactly.
the subscriber can see, oh,
Yes.
Hello Baby deliver something. Oh, Ken
Exactly.
Chronicle maybe deliver
Deliver
something. You
something.
know, that's
Yes.
what we calling trust and honest.
You know, it helps in boosting trust. Yes,
Okay.
boosting trust, and also we should be like transparent in everything that we do. We should be transparent so that even the Almighty may open more doors. Exactly.
So, okay, you're welcome.
All right.
Maybe I'll
okay.
take you around.
Maybe you take me around. Then is when we deliver now a big surprise from US.
Yes, from US, guys.
Okay, actually it's my first time coming here. Man.
Yes.
But I've been watching you, most of your videos. Yes.
You can prove them because when I'm showing on TV,
Oh,
on
wow.
camera, people think, oh, like I'm faking.
No,
Show them.
Man, these are real stories from the village. Nyabuhanze village to the world. Because I've been watching this. I just want now to give Hello Baby the big surprise.
Guys, I'm going to receive my money
Yes.
right now.
Imagine,
And
guys.
we do it on
This
camera.
is big surprise.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna count it.
Okay, hold it for
Then-
me a camera.
Okay, no problem, bro. Yes. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am, I want to say thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you a million times. And I received the money, nothing
Yes.
to be hide.
Yes.
It's just over here, but your name remaining privacy.
Yes, anonymous.
And Ken Chronicles, who's
Yes.
a
Maybe you-
nice guy,
Yes.
honest guy, you know, all the way from, you know,
Homa Bay.
It's not an easy thing. Maybe
Imagine.
people travel by using its own transport.
You know, let me tell you one thing. I use my own transport and I give the money exact the way I've brought it from the bank. Even no single coin that I've taken from
it. Maybe I'll buy for you a tea.
Thank you. I will appreciate. Okay. Maybe you, have you count for her the money so that you can be pretty sure? Yes. Yes. Count for her. Okay. Because I believe she's gonna watch you.
We keep it aside.
Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my God.
10, 11, 500.
Yes. So that's how Kenyan shillings looks like.
Yeah, exactly. You know? 500 is green in color.
This one.
And 1000 is kind of brownish in color. So okay. Yes.
Maybe I'll use this 500. I'll buy for you something because to appreciate you. You know, other people maybe they take money and then corner.
Yes.
You know.
And more so, you know me, hello baby. Maybe you can tell them one thing. Once I received the money, I called you that day. In fact, I never called you. I texted you.
Yeah, you
that
texted
bro,
me.
I've received your money, but I'm gonna give it to you once I go to the bank.
Okay, let me keep it here.
Okay. Maybe we will do a thumbnail, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys,
thumbnail like
this 500, I give maybe you around maybe 200 to
thumbnail.
Okay.
Yes, thumbnail.
All right, guys. We are leaving home right now with my friend.
Yeah, man.
And,
KC over here.
I decide the remaining, the loose change, I gonna spoil her to appreciate, you know, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, not everybody doing like that, you know. Exactly. Maybe they'll send getting your money and then hiding, and then maybe corner. Because to be honest, and then you have good heart. Yes. So maybe you're going to Nyabohans and then I spoil you. Okay, no. What do you think?
No problem. Me, I'm just flowing with the vibe. Let me flow with the vibe.
Okay, guys, let's go to Nyabohans and then getting something. Let's go. There's some kids. Right, so today it's a gloomy day, no sun. Let's see out. Hi. Go. That's we outside, guys, you know. Full of green nature.
Yeah, I love the way farming is really progressing well. Guys, you see the way corns are big over here.
Right there.
They are super big. Even on the other side.
Yeah, man.
You wanna go feed them, take lunch.
So right now here we reach Nyabohans.
Actually, I don't understand.
We are in Nyabohans right now.
Because you know me, I knew that we are almost at the border.
No, yeah, you know, guys, I'm staying near the it's a boundary.
A boundary.
Nyabohans and
the
border.
Wow.
See that house? Amazing one.
The house is really looking nice.
Yeah. Joadi.
Yeah, man.
Where are they? Hey. Home, Anoiga. This is some local market that we have.
I remember we meeting, there was a day we met.
Here?
When I was still living in Nyabohans. You remember?
Yes, around here.
Oh, yeah, now I understand. So like your home is on the other side.
Yes.
Nyabohans is here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go, guys. Nyabohansi. You're in Nyabohansi right now. Yeah, man.
Yes, if you start seeing a lot of things like this, we are in Nyabohansi.
Yeah, sure.
Mura, umenipigia na rekodi bwana. Hey. Hivi nimemaliza. Si tuende basi. Elu baby hebu niane paki. Hebu ni una ulikuwa umeplan twende aje? Sisi tuende ni boda.
Chai ndo hii.
Chai ni kamera.
Tulikuwa kwenye video.
Chai ni kamera Mura.
Eh, oh my God.
Mimi imebidi tu bwana.
Kwa ile kwa sababu gani?
Say hello.
Say even hello.
Mura hapana.
Guys, this is another banger, you know. It's a BMW. Machine gun. Right here. So anyway, we're heading this way. Blue Rock Hotel. Hey. Hapa jamaa wameenda.
Wako ndani.
Wameenda kujisipele kwingine. We. Koroboke bana. Ugali na nyama shilingi ngapi baba? Poa. Okay, mpe leta. Si umpe utupe. Kana mwakelele chofa. Oh my God.
Ama elubebe. Usifanye hivi. Maybe unaweza nipa tu nikuje ni jioni nifuate wale.
Sawa.
Ama si ndio?
Mama ndalipi. Hello.
Hey, hello guys.
Okay. Haya pokea nenda.
Shasema?
Tuno metuserve. Guys, she was serving me rice and beans. And one of my friends, she was rushing to Border Town. But I paid the money for the food. I paid the money from one of my friends, Ken Concourse. When she came anytime, she would eat the food here. He will eat the food, I mean. Woo! So guys, I'm enjoying the food, and then from here I'll start rolling my camera, you know. Guys, let's enjoy. See you on the next vlog. So guys, I finished everything and I'm left on this restaurant. Where mnyama? So it's time to go back and do my own thing. Kana hewari my guy. Mzee ndo chini Rwanda na chure. Say hello.
Hey guys.
Update was in hotel ndo chora so.
So you could you miss me guys. I was so hungry. Yeah. So we went somewhere to eat some soup, drink some soup. And now we are good to go. It's around it's 1 p.m. you know. Anyway, welcome back to my brother's channel. My name is Viri Jonah. If it's the first time you're meeting this ugly face, kindly subscribe. I do the same thing as
Taraza kwa gatani cha gotembe music.
Tajute. Asiona maramu ngosomba.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, kindly subscribe, show love. Yes, man, you need to visit David Jr. and see the progress that is going on.
Grandma dancing
grandma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just visit him, my guy.
Okay, I'll do that. I was spoiling myself. You know, my stomach was empty.
You were eating too.
Show them.
His hello baby has a big stomach.
I'm like Kobe.
He's becoming a father. You love big stomach, you know?
No. It's because when I eat the food,
you get full. And
when
see
I'm
now
hungry,
the
it's be like this.
if you go like that in Tanzania, the police will arrest you.
Yeah. I'm taking care of myself.
You see when you see guys that what do we call it? Combat. That combat attire is the best. See how he looks.
Okay, let me wear this.
Here no sickness. No sickness here.
Yeah, no sickness.
Big health.
Okay.
Okay, hello baby. Let me talk. We'll talk.
Okay. Alright guys, so right now I'm heading border town and yeah. So I'm so grateful, man, you know. A day like this, I couldn't believe like it could happen like that, you know. And I'm starting a fresh week. So today's on Monday. It's a blessed Monday. So, you know, when God says yes, nobody can say no. So around $900, we have already get $100. Just keep it. I'm remaining with, you know, $800 because my engineer told me you need to have, you know, 100,000, you know, Kenyan shillings. That's close to $1,000, you know. Right now, we just deduct and I give that money to my mom. Just keep it for me when I'm going to start building. Like it's one touch, you know. You know what I mean, guys? One touch. And man, the only thing that I like, it's honest and loyal, you know. So even me, when maybe somebody send me, man, like, oh, hello baby, you wanna, you know, give this money to this guy, you know. I do video, man. So to testify, the man reach in good way, the man reach in safe way, you know. So like nothing to be black, man. And also I will see, because tomorrow it's another videos, it's another surprise to my mom, but I didn't get a chance to do this video. So let's see by tomorrow, you know. Guys, I wonder in Africa here, a little young baby going to school, coming back, look, very small, very. So I think previous day I do some short videos that I'm going to visit one of my friends, but unfortunately Vinny John are calling me. So today, oh guys, sorry, I can't go to Tanzania because of this jacket, guys. Sorry for that. Maybe I will do it later. Sorry. I don't want to find myself on trouble, you know, wearing this jacket and all stuff. But in my country, I can go with it even to Nairobi, ever in my country, you know. Man. We are still moving on. I think, guys, the remaining $800. I'll get slowly, you know, until when I reach my target. Guys, this road is common, you know, for you. But anyway, we just trust and believe in our dreams, you know. Look at that house, amazing. And as a Hello Baby official, you know, I just believe and trust my dream, man, you know. So today I just wear like an office, man, like a police officer, you know. I love that. Oh, yeah. I love that view, man. So I don't want to make mistake going in Tanzania with this jacket right here, because I will find myself in trouble. Oh, crazy. That's V-Power shit right there. That's a cabin pickup right here. They're making furniture right there, you know. Whoa. So guys, the reason why I came in Border Town is to check one of my driver who ride my first bike, whether everything's okay. Mercedes Benz, baby. Woo. Look at this. This is a Harrier. Outside here people have money, man, you know, it's a secret. So I'm going to check my driver right now, where everything just be well and fantastic, man. See guys, people are outside to put something on table. On my side, I go. Na 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 na. Hey, Sona. Hi. Yeah, you must be very careful. Right here, They're already gone, man. You know, you have to be very careful. Already gone. So I'm heading straight. I wanna check my guy, you know, who drive my second bike, you know, which, you know, I have been used before this. So I wanna check him, and there's some stuff we wanna, you know, do it right now. Okay. Oh damn, look, people's under construction right here, you know. Let's go. This is what I call border town. This is what I call border town. Oh yo, Freshy, they are making beds right here. Kana cheza cheza, hii ina shida hata sabini na tano. Hey. Guys, I reach home and I get rain on. Oh, I see my sister this way struggling. Huh? Kimbiwende kwa nyumba. Hey, hey. That's my sister. Whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, anytime it's gonna rain when I was coming from Nyabohansi. That's my mama. Even me, guys, I get rain, you know. Woo-wee. Sajua I can say, boy. Hi. Hey. Anyway, guys, we tried to go inside, and I was parking my bike, guys. Look, it's raining, man. Look. So, yeah. Even me, guys, I get rained, as you can see. Even my chest guard, you know. So, but I thank God I reached, you know, safety. I was rushing like crazy, you know, because I don't want to get rained. Anyway, guys, we are coming at the end of these videos, and I want to say thank you everybody. May God bless you. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. I love you. Bye bye.